On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make 800 plus per day as a complete beginner using CPA marketing. This method is one of the easiest methods that you can use to make money from home, and the best part is that you are not required to invest any money. You don't need any skills, you don't need any experience to get started with this method. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the offer that you can promote and the platform that you can use to get free traffic to your affiliate link. If you are new and you have not subscribed, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join OGRs, you can join CPA Lead, you can join Max Bounty or any CPA network that you know. In this case, we are going to be using CPA Grip. CPA Grip is a platform where you can get a lot of different offers to promote, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. If you are not able to get access, just use any CPA network and then follow all the steps that I'm going to show in this video so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. Once you create your accounts and log in on CPA Grip, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you can see they have monetization tools. You can use the monetization tools to make money on CPA Grip. I will talk about that in another video, but in this case what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using offer tools. So click on it. Once you click on it, click on my offers so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. There are a lot of different offers on this platform that you can promote to earn money from home. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to search for a country where we can get offers with higher payout. So come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can click on any country that you want so that you can find offers to promote. Mostly some of the European countries have offers with higher payout. You can also search for tier 1 countries: Canada, USA, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Australia. Those countries also have offers with higher payout. In this case, we are going to be searching for a European country. So we are going to be searching for Portugal. So search for Portugal, search for it, Portugal. As you can see, Portugal, click on it so that you can find the offers that are available. Once you click on it, you can see when you scroll down, it is loading. So we are going to wait for it to load. Once it has finished loading, you can see the offers that are available in Portugal. As I scroll down, you can see the offers. This time there are no high paying offers in Portugal. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to search for another country. You can search for any European country that you want so that you can find out if there are high paying offers available that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see there are no high paying available offers. So we have to change the country. So scroll upwards and then search for a different country. In this case, we are going to search for Switzerland. Search for Switzerland. As you can see, Switzerland, click on it so that you can see if there are available offers with higher payout that you can promote. Once you search for it, scroll down so that you can find the offers. It is still loading. You can see it has finished loading. Now let's scroll and then find out if there are offers with higher payout. Once you scroll down, you can see many offers. You can see this offer right here. You are going to be earning $10.78 per every lead that you get. The next one is the same amount. Once you scroll down, there are many others. As I scroll, you can see the next one, $2.40. You can see this one right here, $20.53 per every lead that you get. The next one is the same. You can see another offer right here, $17.97 per every lead that you get. The language is not in English, so what you have to do is that you have to translate it to English. To translate the page, what you have to do is that you have to right click. Once you right click, you can see right here, translate to English. Click on it so that the page will be translated to English. As you can see, it is going to be translated. You can see it has been translated. Now you can understand what the offers are about. So this one right here, access your content. The other one is download your content now. So if you promote those offers, you are going to be earning $20.53 per every lead that you get. There are many offers. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see this offer right here, grab your content now. The payout is $20.53 and there are many of them. As I scroll, you can see many offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want so that you can promote it and then get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. You can take the time and then scroll down so that you can find the offer that you want. As I scroll, you can see many offers with higher payout that you can promote. You can see this one is $16.42. There are a lot of different offers that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. Download the best games. This is a gaming offer. If your potential visitors are able to meet the requirements, they are going to be able to get access to different games. You can see the requirement is pin submit, so your potential visitors need to submit a pin. Once they do so, they are going to get access to the games, and you are going to be paid $20.53. So now what you have to do is that you have to click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. So click on it. Once you click on the offer, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link, and you can see the offer is only allowed in Switzerland. You can see the rest of the details of the offer. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on this affiliate link and then enter the required details so that they can get access to the games. Once they enter their details to get access to the game, you are going to be paid $20.53. You can see it right here. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is gamerpower.com. On this website, you can get a lot of games for free. You can also submit a game on this website so that other people can get access to it. As a school, you can see different games that people have submitted to this website. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want to get access to a game, just click on claim loot. Once you click on it, you can enter the required details and then get access to the game. And the best part is that people are patronizing these games. You can see this game, about 3,200 people claim the game. You can see it right here. This one, 1,180 plus people claim the game. You can see this game right here, about 6,070 people claim the game. So if we also submit our offer on this website, you're also going to be getting thousands of people who will claim it so that we can be making money from home on CPA Grip. To submit a giveaway on this website, what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can be able to submit a giveaway. To sign up for an account, just click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to enter your account name, enter your email address, enter a password, confirm your password. Once that is done, you are going to click on create account. Once you click on it, they are going to send you a confirmation email so that you can create your free account. You don't need to pay anything before you submit a game on this website. Everything is free. So just set for the website, create your accounts, and then submit your giveaway. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are not going to see submit. What you have to do is that you have to click right here on your profile. Once you click on it, you are going to click on submit offer so that you can be able to submit your giveaway. Once you click on it, you can see giveaway URL. You have to paste your affiliate link right here so that people can be able to click on it and then get access to the offer. So you have to come back on CPA Grip and then click on copy link so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to enter the title of the offer here. You can come back on CPA Grip and then copy the title of the offer. If you want, you can also write your own title. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you have to upload an image of the offer. You can see right here, upload offer image. You have to upload an image of the offer. To get an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. You can see the image right here. Right click on it. Once you right click on it, you're going to select save images. Once you select save images, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, you are going to come back, click on choose file. Once that is done, you are going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once you upload the image, you can see description. Describe the giveaway in your own words. So we have to write some brief information about the offer. In this case, I have already written my description, so paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can also write a brief description like this and then paste it right here. Once you have finished writing your description, the next step is that you have to write your instruction here. How can they get access to the offer? You can come back on CPA Grip. This is the instruction. Just highlight and then copy it. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste the instruction here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have pasted all the details, the next step is that you have to translate all this text to German, because the people who live in Switzerland do not speak English. Most of them speak German. So we are going to translate all this text to German. They can understand the text and then take the right action for us to make money. To translate the text, just search for Google Translate. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Select the language that you want to translate. So we are going to select English and then we are translating to German. Once you select the languages, what you have to do is that you have to come back on the platform and then copy the text so that you can translate it. Once you copy your text, come back and then paste it right here. Once you paste it, you can see it is translating. it has been translated to German. You can see it right here. Click on copy so that you can copy your translated text. Once that is done, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to highlight this, highlight everything, and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back, delete this text, and then paste the text right here. Once that is done, you can see it has been translated. Click right here to copy your translated text. Once that is done, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to come right here. You can see instruction. We have to indicate that this offer is only available to people who live in Switzerland. We have to indicate that first before we translate the text. As you can see, I've included that this offer is only available in Switzerland. Once you have done that, highlight the whole text and then copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back on your Google Translate and then delete the text. Once that is done, paste your text right here so that it can be translated. Once you translate the text, click on copy so that you can copy your translated text. Once that is done, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the giveaway type. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the different types. Select full game. Once that is done, you are going to select the platform. So when you click on it, you can see the various platforms. You can see PC, you can see Steam, and the rest. As a scroll, you can see different platforms. As a scroll, you can see under mobile they have Android and Apple iOS. In this case, the offer is allowed on desktop, so we are going to select PC. When you come back on CPA Grip, you can see the icon right here, desktop. You can see it, so you have to select PC. So click on it and then select PC. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then enter the expiring date. So you can see it is wet, that is optional. Expiring date, that is optional. Since we don't know the expiring date and the amount that it is worth, we are going to leave these places blank. We are not going to enter anything. Once that is done, you are going to click on submit giveaway. Once you click on submit, sometimes you are going to see a message like this: something went wrong. What you have to do is that you have to repeat the process again, enter the details, and then click on submit so that your giveaway will be submitted. But let me show you evidence that I've been using this website. You can see right here, I have saved $16 using this website, and you can see my collection. I have 8 collections. You can see my level right here. So I've been using this website. Go and create an account and then submit your giveaways so that you can be making money on CPA Grip. Apart from this website, there are other websites that you can submit your giveaway. You can come on this website, winasweepstakes.com. Once you are on this website, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, submit a sweepstake. Once you click on it, they are going to give the instructions so that you can submit your giveaway. First, just create your account. Once you create your account, you can also submit your giveaway on this website so that you can get people to enter the required details for you to make money. So make sure you go and try these 2 websites so that you can be making money from home as a complete beginner without investing any money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.